What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Miata build. Today we are working on putting the new lower ball joints in, as well as cutting some of the body of the car. I'm using Caleb's vlogging camera, so if the quality is different or the sound is different, that's why. Caleb's working on his Rally Miata, taking the ECU out. So he's gonna be helping me with doing the cutting of the body. As he's busy right now, I'm gonna be putting the lower ball joints in the car. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I did, I unboxed the ball joints that I got off of eBay for $22. All I have to do is unbolt this old broken one. I might have to take the strut out because that bolt over there is kind of hard to reach, probably with a wrench. I haven't tried yet, but yeah. Here's the thing, this is really rusty, and to get this out is gonna be not easy. Oh, okay. Rusty Miata problems.
Oh yeah, it's moving. Alright, so now try to hit it with the impact.
But I'm scared.
A wild Pasha works on his first Miata, trying to get the rusty nut off. Trying to bust a nut. Can he bust the nut? Camera's almost dead. Go, go, go. Shoulder down. Yeah, whoa, whoa, it's going. It's going. So now what we'll do, I'll hammer it while you bust it.
So the bolt is now loose. Now we just have to take it out. Maybe. Okay, let's go meet the fans.
Right now you're just pushing it. Oh!
It's finally out.
See?
Here's the thing, everything is so rusty that we had to cut out the strut, and the bushing is now messed up. So now we need new strut. Caleb thinks he has the strut at home, so we'll have to check with that. And if he does, awesome, and if he doesn't, we might as well invest some money into coilovers. Once again, it's a budget build and I'm kind of broke. We bought the roll cage already, we bought the wheels, so I'm kind of thinking to maybe make a GoFundMe page. And if you guys want to support the build, maybe throw like $5, I don't know. Let me know if I should do it or not. I don't know, should I do it? Yeah, you know what, I might as well just do it. So perhaps if we do raise some money, maybe we can do some nicer parts for the car. Maybe we'll boost it quicker, I don't know. There's so many things that are possible with money, which we don't really have. I'll just cut this whole thing and I'll get back to you guys. So violent.
I hate rusty cars. I always tell myself not to buy a rusty car, and I always buy a rusty car!
Oh no.
That's definitely snow.
Well, you can't really see anything
It's like
on camera, but
bad snow. Or it's not like, it's like windy. Well, it's so windy.
it's
yeah.
pretty bad snow, honestly.
Wow, this is weird. Oh.
Close the door. Miata boy. And I'm removing this trim, English. I'm removing this trim right now, because we're not gonna need that. Yeah, it's okay. I have no friends, no one talks to me.
It's true.
Trim is out, we're good. Yikes. Alright, well, today we don't get to finish working on the Miata. Nothing really is done. Whatever was planned to be done. However, I am returning tomorrow and I'm gonna be here the entire day. I'll return in a second for you, but it's gonna be tomorrow for me. And we're back to the next
Yep.
We're back to another day of working on the MiataGoKart, which I haven't come up with a name for yet, but you know. We're on our way to pick up more of these little blades to cut out the ball joints because this blade is really dull. And yeah, after that we're gonna keep working on the Miata. I'm really excited. I don't have to go to work. the thing. You can see the thing.
Yeah, when it's sunny out, you can see it.
Ugh. Get a new camera. Actually, I need to get a new camera.
$1 for this shit. And it's in a lock. What?
We're trying to steal it?
No.
Back at the shop. Caleb's moving his Miata. And we're about to work on this one. Focus. 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 Hey, there it is.
Seems way like nothing. It's hilarious.
We're working on this again. I'm super excited to do this today. And it's just so cool. Caleb is putting his old wheels on the Miata right now. Ooh. I'm scared. It might fall back. That's kind of cool. Seeing it move for the first time, kind of. Let's get going with a bunch of cutting.
I'm doing the fun cutting. So before I start cutting back here, I'm gonna unbolt the pointless things like the bumper support, gas cap, trunk latches, all that stuff. Fuel filler neck, all that's gotta be unbolted. And then I'm going to draw out what I'm gonna cut with a marker. Hell yeah.
'em. That's awesome.
Hey Jared, look.
Jared.
It's really cool. So powerful.
This is awesome. I mean, we don't need none of this stuff.
That's so satisfying. I'm gonna have to cut more, but that was just like
yeah.
to see what I could.
This is awesome.
Yeah, this is really cool.
This is good to have nothing in the back.
Mm-hmm.
We can put a fuel cell, but I mean, there's
The Sawzall is so much better than the angle grinder.
Jared.
So.
Yeah, me and Jared have been trying to tackle this one lower bolt joint over here. It's, yeah. Two days of hard work to cut this thing out.
Oh, it's still gonna be kind of hard to get it all in.
It's still gonna be hard to
someone
get
has
it
to
out.
step on like the lower or the upper control arm.
But it's finally, yes. Woo! Throw it away. Actually, yeah, I mean, we can't really reuse it.
We'll figure something out.
Dang.
Now you can get that lower
Bunch of things. Out with an old, in with a new. I already tightened it up, so it's all good.
Boom! That looks dope.
That looks dope. Guys, look at that.
Yeah, I know. Hey, it's not that bad, right?
It's really awesome.
It's actually probably better than the Rally Miata.
Oh, look at that baby strut.
See, look at the bushing. Show them the bushing. That's what happened.
It's gone. We cut this side over here. Shush! I'm talking here. But yeah.
Sorry, Dad.
We got all this stuff. All we have to do is just get this thing out, like right there. Get this out, put a new one in, put the hub on, put the car down. Yeah!
It'll be really low because they're not going to be any struts.
Yeah.
The only thing holding it up will be the bushings, which is probably a bad idea. We can put like a jack stand underneath the front so it doesn't get too low.
Yeah.
That's what we'll do.
Yep. Guys, I'm super excited to do this project. It's just such a cool time, just hanging out with friends doing this, and hopefully this will come out to something really cool. Thank you, Jared.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Caleb.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you, friends. And I appreciate all of you guys because you've shown really a lot of support, and it's amazing to see the community reaching out and suggesting things, and I mean, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. It's gonna be so low.
I don't know if it will be. Yeah,
Oh God. Oh boy. She's on the wheels.
it will. About how you want.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Just lower in the back.
Wow. It's so low over there. Stop, don't do that.
Oh God.
Oh my God, this thing is so sick, guys.
Wait, come out!
Hands on Dude, this thing. This is so sick.
Pretty dope. That's the fact that the two wheels are pointing opposite directions.
What do you guys think about the car, or whatever is left of it so far? Yeah, it's something like super unique. I'm super excited. Oh, ooh, the thumbnail right there. Ooh, yeah, very nice. Hell yeah. Just Pasha.
That was just Pasha on there.
Yeah.
Is there a Gingium?
No.
Hell yeah, Just
wait,
Pasha is
yeah.
better than Gingium.
He's right there. The danger noodle.
The danger noodle. It's gonna turn, that's all. But like, if you keep going with it. Oh wait. Someone's cleaning up.
Yeah.
I'm too excited looking at the car. I can't stop. I'll help.
Oh God. That's gross.
There you go. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, my hands are really dirty. Audrey, are you trying to finish a video with me?
Oh.
Just like you do with Caleb?
Hey.
Are you editing the video while I'm cleaning back here? Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll just say that I'm Gingium, okay?
I mean, yeah. Gingium's sister.
No.
Hey, it's Gingium and Just Pasha. We cut that thing up higher and that thing is cut up and it's moving.
Subscribe!
Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Stay positive, yo. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Just Pasha.
Only subscribe if you like my videos. Don't subscribe just for the sake of subscribing.
No,
or if Caleb
subscribe
tells you to subscribe, don't do it because he says it. Subscribe if you
Just
actually enjoy the videos.
anyway.
So anyway,
Are
thank
you
you all so much for watching. I'm really thankful for all the views and subscriptions and water that's up there. I love you all. I love you all. Thank you.
Don't forget to hit that notification button, even though it doesn't do anything.
It helps, I think. Anyway, I love you all so much. Check out the description and let me know if I should do the GoFundMe page for the build. Once again, I love you so much. Stay positive.